Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your iPad. First, let's cover a soft reset, which is often the quickest fix for minor issues. This process simply restarts your device without losing any data. To perform a soft reset, simultaneously press and hold the power button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, wait about 30 seconds, then press the power button again to restart your iPad. It's a simple first step. Before performing a factory reset, it is absolutely crucial to back up your iPad's data. This ensures all your precious photos, important documents, and app data are safely stored. You have two main options, iCloud or a computer. For iCloud, navigate to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud, and finally iCloud Backup. Alternatively, connect your iPad to a computer and use Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC to create a local backup. Don't skip this vital step. Now, let's proceed with a full factory reset, which will completely erase all content and settings from your iPad, returning it to its original state. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, and then scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPad. Select Erase all content and settings. You will be prompted to confirm your decision and may need to enter your device passcode and Apple ID password. This process can take several minutes to complete. Once the factory reset is complete, your iPad will restart and present you with the initial setup screen, just like when it was new. Here, you have two primary choices. You can either restore all your data and settings from the backup you created earlier, or you can choose to set up your iPad as a completely new device. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions to personalize your iPad and get it ready for use again. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your iPad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.